When you're ready to move to or from Estonia, you need the right international movers for the job. 3 Movers knows how to make sure you get the right moving plan to make everything easier. Our reliable container shipping services make international shipping a breeze. We offer a variety of services to help fit your move just right. Whether you're moving for work, retirement, or another reason, we're ready to help you. We can guarantee that you won't find a company that cares about your belongings as we do. We treat your stuff like it's our own. We also offer insurance coverage, so you'll never have to worry about getting your items stolen or damaged. 3 Movers are also experts in the international shipping of vehicles. We transport cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs, boats, and much more. We can even help you get your heavy-duty equipment to the destination. Don't hesitate to give us a call at 888-908-6496, and one of our friendly staff members will be delighted to help you with any questions. You can also get a free quote 24/7 by calling the same number. That's 888-908-6496. Or if you prefer to get the quote online, our website, 3movers.com, has a form you can fill out, and we will get a quote or several quotes back to you in no time.